Ever wondered why you have blue eyes when your parents have brown eyes, or why your hair is curly when your siblings is straight? The answer lies in genetics, the study of how traits are passed down. At the heart of heredity are genes, the basic units of inheritance. Think of genes as tiny blueprints that carry the code for specific traits, such as eye color or hair texture. You inherit 2 alleles for each gene, one from your mother and one from your father. These alleles can be the same or different, and their combination determines your genotype, your unique genetic makeup. Your genotype determines your phenotype, the observable characteristics. If you have 1 allele for brown eyes and 1 for blue eyes, your phenotype will be brown eyes because the brown eye allele is dominant. Let's dive deeper into the world of genetics and explore how traits are passed down through generations. One fundamental concept in genetics is the interplay between dominant and recessive alleles. A dominant allele always expresses its trait, even if only 1 copy is present. For example, the allele for brown eyes is dominant over the allele for blue eyes. On the other hand, a recessive allele only reveals its trait if 2 copies are present. To have blue eyes, you need 2 copies of the blue eye allele. A helpful tool for visualizing this is the Punnett square, which predicts possible genotypes and phenotypes of offspring. If both parents are heterozygous for a trait, the Punnett square shows a 25% chance of 2 dominant alleles, 50% of 1 dominant and 1 recessive, and 25% of 2 recessive alleles. Understanding these patterns helps explain why some traits skip generations, while others appear more frequently. In some cases, neither allele takes complete control. Instead, both alleles are expressed equally. This is known as codominance. One of the best examples of codominance is in our blood types. The ABO blood group system is determined by 3 alleles A, B, and O. Alleles A and B are codominant, while allele O is recessive. If you inherit an A allele from one parent and a B allele from the other, your blood type will be AB. Codominance is also observed in certain breeds of cattle, where a red cow and a white cow produce offspring with a roan coat, a mix of red and white hairs. Both the red and white alleles are expressed, resulting in this unique coat pattern. These examples highlight how codominance leads to a phenotype where both alleles contribute equally, creating a distinct outcome. While codominance results in a combination of both alleles, incomplete dominance leads to a blending of traits, resulting in an intermediate phenotype. Imagine mixing red and white paint. You get pink. This is similar to how incomplete dominance works. A classic example is the flower color of snapdragons. When a red-flowered snapdragon is crossed with a white-flowered snapdragon, their offspring will have pink flowers. The red and white alleles blend together, resulting in this intermediate pink color. Incomplete dominance is also observed in human hair texture. If one parent has straight hair and the other has curly hair, their child may have wavy hair. The alleles for straight and curly hair blend, resulting in the wavy hair phenotype. Understanding incomplete dominance helps explain the wide range of variations we see in nature, showing that inheritance is not always a simple matter of dominant and recessive alleles.
Want to rise to your full potential in your studies and revise like a boss? You can trust Study Guide today to have you covered. Subscribe to this channel and see our website linked in the description of this video to see revision articles to maximize your study gains.